Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Talk English with Dr. Surekha. Today, we are diving into exciting topic that is how to improve vocabulary naturally. If you want to learn English as a second language or wants to sound confident or expressive in English, then you have to expand your vocabulary. Today, in next few minutes, I am going to tell you how to expand your vocabulary naturally without getting bored or without getting forced. So how to learn words naturally. So stay tuned for next few minutes. I will tell you how to pick up words, how to memorize them and how to use them easily while writing or speaking. First of all, why expanding vocabulary is important. Suppose I gave you a canvas and I tell you to paint a beautiful picture and you have only 2 or 3 colors. Is it difficult for you? Or suppose if you have 10 to 20 colors, you will create a magic. Likewise, if you have a lot of vocabulary, you can speak naturally, beautifully and confidently. That's why expanding vocabulary or improving vocabulary is very essential. You can expand vocabulary by doing fun things and you will also enjoy them. Do you want to unlock the power of words? Let us start. I will tell you some real life things that will help you to expand your vocabulary naturally. The first thing that you have to do is read, read and read. You have to read English. Reading is the best way to expand your vocabulary. You can read any storybook, you can read news article, you can watch a TV show with subtitle, whatever you want, you can do. But you have to read it on daily basis. When you start reading or watching a TV show with subtitle, you will come across some new words, and whenever you come across in such kind of a new words, you don't go for a dictionary immediately. Try to understand the meaning of that word contextually, and if you don't understand, if you cannot guess the meaning, then you can go for dictionary. For example, after running the marathon, he get utterly exhausted. So if you don't know the meaning of the word exhausted, don't go directly to the dictionary. Try to understand, because in earlier clause you find that running marathon. So you can find out the result that exhausted means too much tired. You can guess the meaning and you can go ahead. While reading, all the time you need not to go to the dictionary, but you can try to understand the contextual meaning of that word and you can go ahead. So likewise, you can read anything that you like. You can read even blog also, or what interests you, that you can read and you can expand your vocabulary naturally. The second thing that you have to do is write a diary, because writing is equal to double memory. That's why you have to write at least a word every day. What you have to write in that diary? You have to write the word that you have learned, then you have to write the meaning of that word, then you have to write a sentence in which that you have used that word, and you have to also write synonyms of that word. For example, the word is ecstatic. You can write the meaning of that word: very happy. I was very ecstatic when I saw the result. Likewise, you can use that word in a sentence, and now you can write synonym like delighted or thrilled. So likewise, you can write a single word in your diary, and while learning one word, you can learn 2 or more words, because you are writing synonym also. You can use color code for writing such kind of words. For example, use green pen for positive words, use red pen for negative words, and you can use blue pen for action words. This looks funny. It will help you to memorize the words and you can easily revise them. The third important thing is that learn in phrase not a single word. Don't try to learn a single word. For example, fast. Instead of learning only fast, you can learn like this, fast asleep. So you can easily memorize this word and you will understand the meaning. Don't try to learn single word, but try to understand that word in phrase. If you learn like this, it will not be a robotic and it will sound natural. So that's why learn like this. I will say one word, that is break, and comment me a phrase that start with break. Exactly. Break the promise, break the rules, break the ice. These are the phrases. If you know more, try to comment it in my comment box. Fourth important thing is that listen actively. Listening is gold mine for expanding vocabulary, because whenever you listen any TV show or any audiobook, you will come across new words. What you have to do, you have to repeatedly listen that word and you have to point out that word in your diary. Try to know the meaning of that word and you will memorize the words in this way. For example, if you come across a sentence like he is pulling my leg, if you don't understand the meaning of this sentence, what you can do, you can search the meaning of that sentence and you have to make use of that sentence in your day-to-day conversation. What is the meaning of he is pulling my leg? That he is joking with me. So try to use that sentence while speaking or writing. In this way, you will memorize that particular sentence for a longer time. The fifth important thing is that use the words immediately. Whenever you learn a new word and you do not make use of that word in your conversation or in your writing, the brain deletes it. That's why you have to make use of that new word while speaking or writing. So within 24 hours, try to make use of that word in your conversation or in your writing. So it will help you to memorize the words. For example, if you have learned a word curious, then you have to make use of that word in a sentence. Like, I am curious to learn new things. Like this, you have to make use of that word in sentences or while writing. So whenever you learn new words, you try to make use of it immediately in your conversation. This is also a good idea to follow. Today, learn 5 new words and comment those 5 words in my comment box. The next important thing is that play word game. You can make use of any app or any website for playing such kind of word games. It will be funny for you and you will not get bored. So that's why you have to play word game. Or you can play word games like tell me 5 words that has 4 letters, like this, that. So there are so many words. Or you can play word game like that, tell me 5 words that begins with M. So you can comment me all these words in my comment box. This is also a funny idea. You will enjoy learning vocabulary and you will not get bored, and naturally you will learn new words and you will memorize them. The next important thing is that set small goals. Don't pressurize yourself to learn 50, 60 words. Learn only 3 to 5 words on daily basis and revise all the words that you have learned throughout the week on weekend. So you can set such kind of a small goal and it will not be difficult for you to set small goals and you will easily learn new words. So growing vocabulary naturally is very easy if you make it as a daily routine or if you enjoy it and make it funny. So that's why it is not a difficult task. It's a very funny and interesting kind of a task if you do or follow these kind of ideas. These are very real life or practical kind of things you have to follow to expand your vocabulary. Remember, read and enjoy. The second thing that you have to do, that you have to make a colorful diary. Third thing that you have to do is You don't have to learn word single, but you have to learn in a phrase. The next thing that you have to do is listen actively. Next thing that you have to do, that you have to make use of new words immediately. And the next important thing is that you have to set small goals, and you have to achieve those goals. And that's why you have to follow these kinds of things, and in this way you can expand your vocabulary. You don't have to study hard, you have to make a smart study. You don't have to pressurize yourself to learn words, but these are the funny ways that you can follow and you can learn new words. Do you think that this session is helpful for you? Comment me in comment box. If you love this video, subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye. See you in the next video.